Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know about brushes. What types they are, what to use them for, which ones are for your eyes, which ones are for your face. Ugh, so much drama. You'll know everything about it from this video. Stay tuned. So now, let's talk about the damn brushes. These are my brushes. As you can see, I'm very conceited. I have this picture of myself here. This was a birthday gift from my mom. Isn't it cute? And as I was using it to drink water from it, it was getting ruined. So I decided to put brushes in it instead. So we'll start with eye brushes. What are you gonna need for your eyebrows? First things first, you're gonna need a spoolie. And then you're going to need a concealer brush. And then you're going to need something to blend out that concealer. I prefer brushes that are shaped like this. So that to blend out, that to apply, and this for a spoolie. I love this brush because it has the spoolie and the concealer application. So in this case, I wouldn't need the spoolie. I would just need my concealer spoolie and my blending brush. And it even has two blending sides, so I can blend then buff it out. It's perfect. This is from Anastacia Beverly Hills, and this has no name on it because I've had it for years. But I think it's also Anastacia Beverly Hills. I'm very sure this is the one that came with the very first palettes that she came out with. Now we're gonna move on to eyes. First things first, you're going to need a blending brush. This is the brush that you're going to use to blend out your transition shades, the colors that you bring in for definition, like this black over here. You would then blend that out with this after you've put it on with your precision brush. This is a precision brush because, as you can see, it's tapered at the front. So where you apply your eyeshadow is where it's going to stay with this brush. With this brush, you're going to buff out and blend whatever it is you applied with a brush like this, or a brush like this, or whichever other eyeshadow brushes you have that you've decided to use. This is the one you blend that shit out with. Then onto face. First things first, the most important brush of all brushes, powder brush. This is a big fluffy brush that's probably gonna feel nice and soft on your face. Love it. This is a MAC one. Oh, first of all, let's go back to those eye brushes. This is the best blending brush that exists ever. I'm not gonna talk about company names in this video. I want you to understand the shapes that are needed, because I think it doesn't matter where the brand comes from, as long as it's a brush that does the job. This though, this is the sliced bread of the brushes. This is the gold, the mecca, the whatever it is. This is the holy grail of brushes, of blending brushes. There is no blending brushes that blends like this, and you can ask anybody in the makeup industry. This is the MAC 224 brush. I swear to God, I've had it since I think 2014. It's been 5 years and it still works great. I swear, you can watch anyone you want to watch on YouTube, and I promise you, they have this brush. Because it works great. Back to the face brushes. You can use this. This is a pricey one from MAC, or you can get a cheaper one from Real Techniques. Another thing you're going to need is a foundation brush. If you don't use beauty blenders. I'm not going to talk about beauty blenders in this video, just brushes. So foundation brush. Love this from MAC. The 130, it's amazing, blends like a dream. Or you could use this one from Little Techniques, also blends like a dream. You're gonna need something for your contour. So for example, I would use this for my foundation, and then I would use this to blend out my contour before I then go in with my contour powder with this brush. If you have a really small face and you need something precise, you can use something like this to place your contour exactly where you need it, and then blend it out with this. Highlight. I love this type of brush to place your highlight where you need it. Works perfect. I prefer this than the fan brushes. Those are messy to me. Blush right where you need it. What else? I mean, we got some little brushes like this for eyeliners or to apply some glitter. Is there any other part of the makeup that I forgot? Ooh. Small brushes like this can also be used to precisely apply your highlight or to apply eyeliner, to use them as your lip liners. If you're doing makeup on clients, for the love of God, please do not apply the lipstick directly onto your client's lips. That's disgusting. Use a brush. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I've helped you in one way or another when it comes to this thing called brushes. I hope I've helped you with some tips on how to make the most out of a few brushes you have. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.